My top 3 blushes. The first one is the liquid blush from Prosh Beauty, and I have it in the shade Raspberry Tart. As you can see, the packaging is not only super cute and aesthetic, but is also absolutely convenient. The shade is that perfect pink which goes on maximum skin tones. The consistency is super smooth. So one thing that you really need to be careful with this blush is use a very little quantity, as too much quantity gets a bit too dark. And yeah, just blend it in well into your skin. It gives a super smooth, blushy, beautiful look. The best thing about this blush is that it neither gives a matte finish nor a creme finish. It's just the perfect finish for all skin types. The pricing is just kind of perfect. Yes, the packaging does look small, but this product lasts really long. This blush is a must buy for all makeup lovers. I've used the blush brush from Rene, and then I have this gorgeous blush stick from Huda Beauty. It's called the Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint Blush Stick, and I have it in the shade Proud Pink. I just love the packaging as it's super convenient to use. Now this blush, when you look at the packaging, seems to have a bit of shimmer in it, but when you apply, there's no kind of shimmer. The texture is buttery smooth, but it does not give a greasy or oily look. Once you blend it in well, it just gives a very glowy, dewy finish. Don't press the stick hard while using. You need to use your hands really softly. Yes, it is a bit pricey, but then it's Huda Beauty, and Huda Beauty products are on the higher side. A must buy for all those who would like to invest in a pricey product. Now this one's my favorite one, and it's from Dairy Life Forever 52. And I have it in the shade Pretty in Pink. When I bought this, I had never expected that it'll turn out to be my favorite blush. To be very honest, I prefer this over the other two blushes that I've shown you before. So the packaging is a palette, and it's really simple to use. It comes along with a clear mirror. Even though the texture is powdery, but it's not completely matte. It lets your skin breathe. It does not make the skin feel heavy or uncomfortable. For me, this is my go-to blush. And then this blush is absolutely at an affordable price. One learning that I like to give all of you: never choose to buy a product just based on the product's price. It's not necessary that a cheaper product is not going to be good, and an expensive product is going to definitely be good. The price of a product does not define its quality and its outcome. Just only don't buy cheap and unbranded beauty products. Bye-bye.